Welcome everyone, my name is Michael. Today, I would love to continue with this adventure in cloud pours because I've recently stumbled across a nice way to do a traveling, wandering type of a cloud pour, okay? And the last one I did, I am completely in love with this painting. And when I mean in love, I wish I can just duplicate it. And I don't think I can duplicate it yet because I feel like some of it was luck. Okay, so I'm going to work here today and we're going to see if I can get close to anything. Because honestly, I think this might be a new way, or a way that we should have been doing cloud pours. Because in that last video that I did, I'm going to have to link that in here somewhere. It just looks like an actual cloud. It's very cloud-like. And we know that sometimes when you do the cloud pours, it does crack. And in that one, it did have cracks, but the cracks worked out perfectly. So I'm so excited. I can talk about my excitement all day long. You guys know that. But let's jump in here to these colors. Now, listen, I'm not as worried about the colors today. I did mix a lot of this. This is not straight up colors from tubes. This is mixed colors. But they're pretty cool. So let's go with that, and let's move these cups out of the way because we know it's the words right there. All right, woo! All right, here we go. And again, I'm going with 2 cloud mixtures again, like I did last time. One is the color. So let's start over here. We're gonna go right here, and this is a dioxazine purple flash. Okay, and that's a mix. Okay, then this is just purple. Okay, then this is a magenta flash, and that is a mix as well. Then this is also red flash, and I have aqua green right here. Okay, then now I'm going to go into the 2 cloud mixtures that I'm using here, and I'll put up the information up here, probably maybe on this side to say. So on this one right here, okay, this is just a lavender. This is lavender cloud mix. Okay, basically what this is this is a satin enamels, okay, but instead of using the Artist Loft level 1 soft body acrylic, which we do in the normal white version, this is actually mixed colored paints. That's it. Very easy. And then the water on top of that. I'll put up the stats for what's in both of these. They're very similar. Just, you know, the only difference is this is Artist Loft level 1 in here, and then this is mixed purples to make this lavender color with that satin enamels in there. All right, so, I know that was a lot to take in. I know that was a lot of information. I love giving you as much information as possible because I feel the more information you have, the better chance you have of doing this at home also. So, with that all being said, we know what's going to happen. I'm going to go into some nice music. I am going to layer these 2 cups here, and then we're going to jump back out and talk, and then go back in. All right, so with that all being said, I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, I'm back in here, and I know that looked very strange, okay? I know that these cups look totally different. It's not your normal, what you're used to seeing from me. But I have a plan here, because I do need to isolate that white a little better. But you're going to see what's going to happen here. This is going to be pretty fun. Let's hope it comes out exactly how I want it. So, again, we're going to go back into some music here. I'm going to put these down. I'm going to put that cloud pour on top here. Guys, I will see you later. And I will see you on the other side. Let's go. All right, everyone, let's come down here with this. Whew. Okay. All right, we have a lot to work with here, but this is great. It's not exactly like the last one, but I'm seeing what I'm doing here. And I think you all kind of saw what I did there. I think being able to bring that that middle pour down is going to be so key here. I feel like a lot of the good stuff is from that middle stripe that we had, okay? So it's just figuring out what we're going to do above. okay? And I know I didn't quite take the time to just do these full-on complete straight pours across, you know, and getting the fingerlings, because I'm more concerned with trying to figure out this exact cloud, okay? So now listen, this is only the start. We see how the cloud pores develop. So this is what we have right here, but that's not our end result. And you can tell right now, because I'm cleaning up, by the way, that, if you're wondering what I'm doing. You can see right now, you can see the little pearl cells popping up. This has a lot more pearl cells than the last one I did this way, and a lot more negative space over here. But I was, in the last one, I had a lot of space down here cutting off the cloud, so I wanted to see if I could bring the cloud down. But now I know I need more things to do up top here, so we'll see. First, let's torch. I know it's getting late and I know it's running long, so let's torch and see what happens here, because torching with these cloud pores brings out more stuff. So let's see what happens. And I do like being able to keep this in here. And I'll tell you, that aqua green was sneaky, guys, right? It really was sneaky. It was hiding in that cup, and it decided to pop out right at the end. Luckily, aqua green works very well with this for some reason, even with this magentas and purples in there. You know, it works out okay. Wow, this is crazy. I'm loving this new way to do this. I don't want a lot of little white cells in here, though, and I feel like they're popping up, so it's okay. We're trying this out. This is different. All right. All right, so listen. What we're going to do here is we're going to go in for a close-up, all right? Go into some nice music. Later on, I am going to put the dry up like I did on the last one, because it does dry. These do dry differently. Like, usually, for me, I'm not so into the dries and the wets as much, because a lot of my paintings actually dry very close to the wet. So, but cloud pours are different. Cloud pours will dry differently, and I guess we'll see what happens with this one. All right, guys. With all that being said, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching these awesome videos, and hopefully going home and doing this and making these crazy ways to do cloud pours. And listen, I always want to disclose, again, no silicones. That's first disclosure. And second, I did draw a lot of inspiration because I am watching a lot of Melly D, and we know Melly D with cloud pours. So I'm just drawing a lot of inspiration from her right now, and that's why I'm creating some of these cool cloud pours. And look, you're actually going to get to see in the close-up, this is actually that lavender cloud. The lavender clouds are actually really nice. They come out very nice. All right, all that being said, I will see you all later. Bye.